How to cancel your LinkedIn premium subscription. So you can't cancel it with your mobile phone. Instead, you have to be on the desktop, the website, LinkedIn website, in order to cancel this subscription. So you go to your profile, and this also applies for LinkedIn free trial. Look out for the managed subscription. So I have a video on the benefits of having your premium on your LinkedIn, premium features and all that. So I'll pin it in the description of this video. So you go to your manage subscriptions and then you wait for it to load up. Just a minute. So it gets to this admin part where you see your email address and of course your premium informations like your payment details, when the date is due, all of those informations are there, your billing information. So you see to cancel your free trial if it's your free trial, but if it's your normal premium subscription, you still see it there. So it will ask you if you're ready to actually cancel this subscription. So you select yes, you want to continue with this cancellation, or if you want to keep it, of course this video is no longer for that, then you decide to keep it. Anyway, this is the second part that I should show you. So you click quickly to continue to cancel it. So it will also ask you at this point, are you sure that you no longer be able to access some benefits? Hope you're okay with that. So you continue to cancel as well. How many times are these people going to ask me, are you really, really sure that I want to cancel? Please, I want to cancel. I don't want to pay right now. Yeah, so let me just cancel it. Cancel, cancel. Oh my God, it has been canceled. No, no, wah, wah, wah. I still have access to it till this thing. Thank you so, so much.